guys, what's good? It's Brittany, and as you guys can tell by the title, this is my apartment tour 2019. I will be moving in a few days actually, so if you all want to see an empty apartment tour, stay tuned. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see here, this is my entryway. I'll try to link everything that I can in the description box below. So as you can see here, we just keep our bags, purses, shoes, like a little mini mudroom. As soon as you turn to the left, you are in my kitchen. Now, I absolutely love my kitchen. I love the dark cabinets. I love the silver accents. I love the subway tile. This is literally my perfect kitchen. I keep lots of pictures of me and my son, Brylan, on my refrigerator. I really just love looking at pictures of us. It just makes me so happy. So most of my kitchen accents I've gotten from either Target, CB2, World Market, or IKEA, and again, I'll try to link as much as I can below. Next we have my island, and again, I am obsessed with my island, and I'm even more obsessed with these stools. I just recently got these stools from World Market. My vibe is very Boho Luxe, and I feel like these stools hit that spot on. Alright, now we are stepping into my living room. I love a cozy living room space, so I love all of the plush textures, pillows. Pretty indecisive when it comes to decorating, so I usually like to stick with a neutral color palette like creams and browns and beiges, and then accent with colors. As you can see here, my accent colors are the green plants, the gold, and the metal, and then different shades of pink and even a pop of blue. I'm also obsessed with little accents. I think that's what makes a house a home. So I love my plants, my oil diffuser, and these floor to ceiling curtains that I've got from IKEA definitely help personalize my space as well. For styling bookshelves, I got a lot of my inspiration from Pinterest and also Live Your Style here on YouTube. I'll go ahead and link their channel in the description box below as well. But I'm absolutely obsessed with hanging planters. Again, the bohemian vibe. I just love it. I just feel like it breathes life into my apartment. Now we are stepping into my office, and this space gets quite a bit of use. I'm always here editing, paying bills, or just surfing the internet. So I like to make sure the space is inspiring too. I also have my little crystal in the corner, which attracts money. This is not my favorite space, but it definitely works for me for now. Now, next to my office, I do have my laundry unit, so nothing too fancy there. Next up, we have my bathroom, and it's got a very relaxing, refreshing spa feel to me. I like keeping it simple, clean. I do still like having greenery here. And then I also did install this medicine cabinet that I got from IKEA. It's so perfect for keeping all of my makeup. Now we are moving over into my favorite part of my bathroom, my tub and shower combo. I love the tile. I also do always change out my shower heads in every new place that I go to. I just love, again, having that spa type feel. Of course, I have my son's toys too, and then all of my facial and hair products. Yeah. I love, love, love this bathroom. So I hope you guys enjoyed my luxury apartment tour. If you want to see a separate video with specifically my bedroom and closet tour, definitely let me know, and I'll show you how that looks in the new place. As always, remember to be good to yourself, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.